Sometimes it's quite challenging to put these insert nuts perpendicularly to the surface of insertion. For instance, like this 3D print. There is plenty of different approaches, but I used a bit different one, which is this one. Simple console or mount and bubble level gauge. If you check this mount, there is one clamp dedicated for the bubble level gauge and one clamp for the ironing tool or soldering iron, and inside the clamp for the bubble level gauge there are just two small protrusions. One is here and one on the other side, just to block the bubble level gauge from moving further. And now you simply take the bubble level gauge, put it to the mount. That's it. And put it on the soldering iron. Now, before you place the soldering iron on the insert nut, just check whether the bubble is in the center of the gauge and press. That's it. Simple, cheap, dirty, but it serves as I want.